Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, especially to my cute and beautiful Dr. Marina. My name is Nur Afika Zainun, student of Biology 2 ASB0205. Today we'll be learning about plant growth and movement response. Let's start with what is stigmotropism. Stigmotropism is an unequal growth due to contact with solid objects. Or for a better understanding, it is actually a movement or response that is generated when an organism is stimulated by touch. A common example is morning glory that is coiling around fence posts or rigid surfaces. Cells in contact with an object grow less while those on the opposite side elongate. This process is quite rapid. Tendrils have been observed to encircle an object in 10 minutes. A couple of minutes of touching can bring about a response that lasts for several days. The response can be delayed. Tendrils touched in the dark will respond when illuminated. How? ATP rather than light can cause the response. The need for light is simply a need for ATP. The hormones auxin and ethylene are involved. They induce curvature of tendrils in the absence of touch. Stigmomorphogenesis is the touch response involving the whole plant. An entire plant responds to the presence of wind or wind. A plant growing in a windy location has a shorter, thicker trunk. Simple rubbing of a plant inhibits cellular elongation and produces a shorter or steadier plant. To study the action of genes, including those that controls development and growth, the scientists have chosen the wheat Arabidopsis thaliana as study plant because the plant is small, so many hundreds of plants can grow in a small amount of space. The plant has a short generation time, which is 5 to 6 weeks, and can produce about 10,000 seeds. The plant typically self-pollinates but can cross-pollinate, which is helpful for gene mapping and production of strains with multiple mutations. The number of DNA base pairs is relatively small. Since the Arabidopsis genome has been sequenced, the genes can be cloned and used as probes for the isolation of homologous genes from plants of economic value. Mutant plants are designed in order to discover what each of its genes can do. For example, one of the mutant genes that alters the development of flowers have been cloned and reintroduced into tobacco plants, where it causes sepals and stamens to appear where petals would ordinarily be. Knowledge about the development of the flowers in Arabidopsis can have far-ranging applications, including leading to more productive crops. Nestic movements. Turgor movements are dependent on turgor pressure changes in plant cells. In contrast to tropism, turgor movements do not involve growth and are not related to the source of the stimulus. Turgor movements result from touch, shaking, or thermal stimulation. When a mimosa pudica leaf is touched, the leaflets fall because the petala drops. This response takes only a second or two and is due to a loss of turgor pressure within cells. Upper venous is thickening at the base of such leaflets, where turgor pressure can rapidly drop. Potassium ions move out of the cell and water follows by osmosis. A single stimulus, such as a hot needle, can cause all of the leaves to respond. This requires a nerve impulse-like stimulus for communication. Venous flytrap has 3 sensitive hairs at the base of the trap. When touched by an insect, the impulse-like stimulus triggers the trap to close. Two ideas as to what causes the electrical charge are: the cells located near the outer region of the lobes rapidly secrete hydrogen ions into their cell walls, loosening them, and allowing the walls to swell rapidly by osmosis. Or, the cells in the inner portion of the lobes and the midway rapidly lose ions, leading to a loss of water by osmosis and collapse of these cells.